Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your iCloud account without any cost. This method it works for any iPhone model and any iOS version. So, the first step is to get your phone IMEI number. To do that, go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. As you will see, the 15-digit IMEI number will show up in the screen of your phone. The IMEI number is also located in the settings of the phone and in the back part of the box. Once you have the IMEI number, we're going to go on this website. We need to access this website. On this website we're going to unlock very easy your iCloud account. You just need to follow exactly the process and your iCloud account will be unlocked successfully. You just need to complete a simple form with the details of your device, your exactly iPhone model, IMEI number, and an email address, where you will receive the confirmation that your iCloud account was successfully unlocked. After completing this form, you just have to wait until you get the confirmation that your iCloud account has been unlocked and receive the new credentials to log in into your iCloud account. Sometimes it's super fast. Sometimes it takes a couple of hours. So, you have to be very patient. But once your unlocking form will be processed, you will get an email. Just like this. So this is the email I just got. And it says, "Successfully removed, iCloud activation lock." So let's go ahead and open this email. So the email will confirm that your iCloud account was successfully unlocked, and, also, you will receive the credentials to log in your iCloud account. And now, the last step is to enter the new credentials to your iCloud account and log in. Now you just need to log in into your iCloud account with the new credentials and your iPhone will be fully iCloud unlocked. So, that's it guys. It's as simple as that to get your iCloud device unlocked. See you to the next video.